name is Elliot.
Hey, Elliot, say, my name is Elliot, and I've been challenged by...
To the Cold Water Challenge by my sister, Lainey Risley. Look.
Say bye, my
Say-
sister, Lainey Risley.
And I'm going to challenge Reagan Loneman and Noah Kelly to the Cold Water Challenge. Right?
Are you ready?
And you're going to donate $10 to the Friends of the Hardin County Animal Shelter. And if they don't do it, they have to donate $100 to yours, right? And if they do it, then they can donate $10 to the charity of their choice, right? Are you ready? All right.
Okay, let's do it, Mom.
1, 2, 3.
Noah! I just challenge you to call my challenge!
You did good, Elliot. Look at me. Say bye.